Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to contrast the A and the A vowels. So are you ready? Let's get started. The A and the A sound have the same tongue position and the mouth shape. To pronounce the A and the A sound, tip of the tongue is placed behind the bottom front teeth. The body of the tongue rises but doesn't touch the hard palate. Open your mouth partially, stretch your lips slightly, and keep them relaxed. The A and the A sound are the long sound, so you have to prolong the sounds in words. Now let's talk about the differences between the A sound and the A sound. When you're pronouncing the A sound, your tongue must be relaxed. But when you're pronouncing the A sound, your tongue must be tense. Another difference between the A sound and the A sound is the A sound is a throaty sound. So you have to make the sound like utter it deeply from the throat, like A. Now let's compare the sounds again. A. Now let's try to say some words with the A and the A sound. Me, me. Đe, đê. Nam, nêm. Bé, bế. Đêm, đêm. Nghe, nghe. Ghé, ghế. Té, tế. Êm đẹp. Đêm đen. Ghế nhẹ. Đem về. Mẹ về. Té ghế. Dễ nghe. Ve kêu. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the A and the A sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Ba kể con nghe về mẹ. Now a little bit faster. Ba kể con nghe về mẹ. Now with normal speed. Ba kể con nghe về mẹ. Ve, kêu, báo, hiệu, hè, về. Now a little bit faster. Ve kêu, báo hiệu, hè về. Now with normal speed. Ve kêu báo hiệu hè về. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.